The table shows some distances in kilometres between towns. The table relates to questions 41 and 42. 42. Which town is twice as far from Carwell as Isleway is from Felpham? First of all, let's find the distance between Isleway and Felpham. Isleway is here. Felpham is here. The distance between those two towns is 55 kilometres. We're now looking for the town which is twice as far away as that from Carwell. So in other words, which town is twice this distance from Carwell? If I multiply this distance by 2, I get 110 kilometres. Now consider the table. Here is Carwell. The distances which the towns are from Carwell are shown in this list, and as you can see, one of them is 110 kilometres away. This town is 𝐏𝐫𝐚𝐜𝐿, so 𝐏𝐏𝐿 is twice the distance from Carwell as Isleway is from Felpham, and that means E was the right answer here.